Mom's chicken. To the KU library. I've never been there before, so we can check it out together, see what it's like, and I'm planning on studying for a little bit before my 5 o'clock class. So let's go! So this is the library right there. Go inside. So that was the library, but change of plans. I'm gonna go study in the Central Plaza study rooms because I don't really like it that much. I don't think I'll ever be back in there. I mean, it's a nice building and yeah, there are places to study, but I like the study rooms in the Central Plaza a lot better because it's like very quiet, but like there it's not that quiet, and I like how Central Plaza, it's more of like a room. While I'm at it, let me give you a tour of the side. So this is the main business hall and it's beautiful, and behind that over there is Hyundai Motors Hall, and this is LG Posco. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I could just stare at this all day. Fun fact, from our school you could actually see Lotte Tower. So I don't know if you could see that, but over there, that thing, that's Lotte Tower. It's just that my camera quality is really bad, so yeah, but that's Lotte Tower, and it's just beautiful. Like I love the colors and the trees. It's just gorgeous. So this is the way to Central Plaza. All of this is Central Plaza. And that right there is a Cafe Bene. It's a very popular cafe in Korea. Also back home, back in the States, there's also many locations. So I'll show you guys the study room. So that's the Global Services Center. So for all exchange or international students, you go there to figure any like paperwork out and etc. So these are the study rooms. So there's two that I usually go to. This is general reading room, and then this one is like the same thing, laptop reading room. But in both of them you could use your laptop. So I'll show you guys how to reserve a seat. So first you put your card right there, and then it'll say your name, and then you click on the room. I'm gonna go to this one, which is this. And then you choose your spot you wanna sit at. So I'll sit right here. It's like 207. And you press how long you wanna be there. I think I'll be there for 3 hours. And then plug in, and it's done. And now, when you scan in, it knows you're going inside. So I can't talk in here, so yeah. the front lawn and eat jajangmyeon with my small group. We're gonna order it. So instead of ordering delivery at the lawn, we're actually gonna go to an jajangmyeon restaurant and eat there.